Look at this program. Everyone stop your work and see this program. Our question was, write a program to accept a string and display it after removing vowels, right? For example, this is my new car, then it should display after removing vowel I, then E, then A, right? So according to that, you have to accept a string. Here I'm accepting a string by using the method call. Okay, if you are using the string by using the scanner class, then you have to use next line method. Then you have to use next line method. Okay, then here I will use the length to calculate the length of the string. Then I'm converting the string to the lower case. Okay, and here, because I don't want to check all the lower letters and the upper letters as the vowel, so here I'm converting the string. Okay, then here I have taken one ch variable because I have to fetch the character. What I will do, I will fetch the character. Each character I will fetch and I will check. If it is the consonant vowel, then I will remove it. Otherwise, I will concatenate it in this string, right? That only I'm going to do. So here, first of all, to fetch the character from entire string, I need to execute the loop till the length, till less than length. So here I have to calculate the length. In the most of the programs we are doing the same. Then this is, we are converting the lower letters. Then here I have taken one blank string. See the loop, I0, I less than length. Okay, always I have to execute the loop till the less than length. Then here by using this statement ch equals to str dot char at I, here I'm fetching the letter. One character I'm fetching. Now here I'm checking the character that if it is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so you can check it if it is equal to the vowel, then concate them, no. To remove them, no. So what we can do, at the place of equal equal, we can write not equal. Okay, if it is not equal A, if it is not equal B, E, or this str dot str plus 1 dot ch, we can write in the else part, and here we can write continue. It's up to you that what you want to do. If you want to make the changes in this condition, not equals to, then you can make this. Otherwise, you can write the continue statement in the if the it is the vowel, then continue, else do this, means else remove it, like that. So both the any of the thing you can do over here. Suppose if we are making equal, okay, then what is to be done? Nothing. We don't want to do anything else. Okay. So we will write over here continue. Why we will write over here continue? Continue is the jump statement. If you remember, if you didn't remember, then write it. Jump statement, continue is the jump statement. It forces early iteration. Early iteration means जैसे ही यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू मिलेगा तो it will not let the execution to go down. Okay, ये सीधे सीधे इंक्रीमेंट पर आ जाएगा, ओके और नीचे की कोई स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगी, ओके इट्स जस्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ द ब्रेक. Break is also the jump statement but used to terminate the execution, but continue is not used to terminate the execution. It's used to force the early iteration. ओके तो इसके बाद की जितनी भी लाइन लिखी है ना ब्लॉक में, सारी लाइंस स्किप हो जाएंगी. All the statement will be skipped by the execution and your execution will be go to the increment part of the loop. Okay, that is the use of the continue. So if the user is giving, see that, if user is giving, if user is giving over here, suppose user is giving the same input which we have given in the example, this is my new car. Okay, so this T is capital, right? So this T H I. So see, first of all, it will fetch T. Okay, care at will fetch the T. Then T, this condition is not going to be matched. So else part is going to execute. So what is written is else str1.ch. str is what? Str right now it is null. Okay, so null here, this null plus ch. In the ch it is T, right? So in the str is going to be stored as T. Then the second letter is going to be fetched. Second letter is H. So again in the str is T and ch will be H. So TH, right? Then next is what? I. So this condition, vowel condition is going to be true. So if the condition will be true, it's writing over here continue. So it will go to the iteration part. Execution will come to the increment part. Okay. So now this TH only will be there in the str1. Then again next S to be fetched. Then this condition is false. Then again here it will write TH. Like that your execution will go on. Let me compile it. Now the string after removing vowels is str1. Then when the method call, when we are giving the string values, and we should use the double quotes. This is my car. See, all the vowels are removed, right? We can do it in that manner also, that here I'm making the changes is not equals to, is not equals to, is not equals to, is not equals to, is not equals to. Then let's see it is working or what. Compile. Execute. Void main. Same input I'm taking. This is my car. It's not working. Yes. See, last time also we have seen that is not equals to is not working in that. Okay, so that's why your program you will write in this manner only. Okay, write this quickly. I hope you have written. See that. In this question, remove the white spaces. So what we will do, we will fetch the letter as the last program we have done. Okay, for fetching the letter, we will calculate the length. First of all, we are accepting the string, calculating the length, converting, it's up to you. If it is given in the question, you can convert, otherwise, no need of conversion. Then, length we are calculating. Okay, after calculating the length, here I am executing the loop. 0 से लेके less than length तक. This is the statement to fetch the character. Now here at the place of the vowel, I have to check this letter is space or not. So here 32. 32 is the ASCII value of 32 is the ASCII value of white space. 32 is only the ASCII value of white space. So we can check CH equal 32. Okay, if it will be space, then continue. Means don't do anything. Otherwise, concate. तो जो भी स्पेस वाला लेटर है वो ऐड नहीं होगा, वो ज्वाइन नहीं होगा न्यू स्ट्रिंग में, बाकी सब हो जाएगा. सो स्ट्रिंग आफ्टर रिमूविंग white space, white space. It is very easy. See that we'll compile it, it's working or not. Otherwise, we will use something else. Execute. Same string I'm taking. This is my car. See, no space. Okay. Okay, now just opposite of it. What is the opposite of it? If I write it first. If CH equal 32. Now at the place of the 32 here we can use the space. See that, like that. Only single quote, space enclosed in the single quote. One space enclosed in the single quote. Again, see, single quote, space, single quote. This is only. That also you can use. See that? Compile, then execute. Same value. We'll check it is working or what. Yes, this is also working. This is my car, right? This is my car. Okay, so you can use over here 32 or you can use here single quote also. But write it. Just make the changes here only. Entire program of the vowel, removing the vowel will remain same. Just change the if condition. Quickly change the if condition. Use this character wrapper class method also. If character is white space, correct, then you can use this ch over here. We are using the is white space method of the character wrapper class. Then it is continue, else this is. Okay, now many type of the question can be formed in this. What are the questions can be formed? They can ask you display the string after removing all the digits, or if digit is there. They can ask you display the string after on only the digit from the string. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Okay, like they are accepting the address from the user, and program will be like that, accept the address from the user and display only the pin number. Okay, only the pin number of the address. Then you have to remove each and every character and the spaces. Okay, and you have to display only the pin number. Okay, so here you can use that is digit method of the character wrapper class. See, these methods you know that how to use. Okay, they can ask in the question that display only the vowels after removing all the consonant. Okay, so here the same condition you will form vowels and means the same program, just make the changes in this statement that where we have to display and where we have to remove. That is only. So this one program can come in the 100 ways, in the 100 different ways. Okay,